Mojo and the Rainbow River Secret. Once upon a time, in the heart of a mysterious jungle, there was a hidden place called Rainbow River. Legends said that this river wasn't like any other. It sparkled with colors that danced in the sunlight and glowed softly at night. But no one knew where the colors came from or why they sparkled so magically. A curious little monkey named Mojo had heard stories of Rainbow River from his grandmother. Unlike other monkeys who were happy to swing in the treetops and munch on bananas, Mojo wanted to explore beyond the familiar branches. He loved adventure, and his heart danced at the thought of discovering new mysteries. One bright morning, Mojo decided that he would find the secret of Rainbow River. Armed with only his trusty backpack and a big sense of wonder, Mojo set out through the jungle. Along the way, he met many friends, a wise old parrot, a friendly frog, and a curious butterfly who decided to join him. Together, they journeyed through forests of emerald green and crossed sparkling blue streams, each step taking them closer to the legendary Rainbow River. Finally, after a day's journey, they reached the river's edge, and it was more magnificent than Mojo had ever imagined. The water wasn't just colorful, it looked like melted gemstones swirling and shimmering with every shade of the rainbow. But as Mojo leaned in for a closer look, he noticed something unusual, a tiny glow at the bottom of the river. Curious, Mojo carefully dipped his paw into the water and discovered that the glow was coming from a hidden stone covered in rainbow crystals. He realized that the river's colors came from these stones, each one capturing light and casting colors all around. But as he picked up the stone, something magical happened. The colors began to swirl faster, lifting Mojo and his friends up into the air. They floated above the river, surrounded by beautiful colors that danced around them like living creatures. It was like flying through a rainbow. When they landed back on the ground, the colors gently faded, leaving Mojo with a heart full of wonder. He knew that he had found the secret of Rainbow River, and he would never forget the beauty he had witnessed. From that day on, Mojo returned to Rainbow River often, remembering the magical rainbow flight and the glowing stones that made the water dance. And every time he looked up at a rainbow in the sky, he'd smile, knowing that he held the river's secret close to his heart. The end. Wasn't Mojo's journey magical? If you loved this colorful adventure, tap like, subscribe and share the magic of Rainbow River with friends. Adventure is just a step away, even for the smallest explorers. Good night, sweet dreams.